if you're doubting your capacity to do choreography, because the choreography, you have a week left. That is like no time in choreography world. Like, okay, let me rephrase. If you had a week left and you were comfortable with fire and you knew one of the two pieces, potentially, it wouldn't be so crazy. But I don't feel like you know either of the two pieces. You're not comfortable with fire and trying to get the whole thing in a week is just a tall order for somebody who has a life. Like maybe if you were a Flobo and you were like not doing anything with your life and you were like spending 40 hours a week on this, but you're not, are you? No, life happened and it didn't revolve around two balls and some string. So I vote for you doing the thing that is the least stressful. I don't feel like there's anything I can do for you now other than be like your cheerleader. Because right now, what you need more than anything is to just know your music well enough to improv to it. And that's that's one, technique wise. And then two, be confident enough to do whatever it is that you're doing on fire. Both of which take practice, neither of which are anything I can like impart upon you. I can tell you you're doing a good job of trying to get there. I can cheer you on. Everything right now has to be you have to now you have to dig deep. Okay, you need three things. Your opening, your closing, and the big point in the music. That's what you need. That's probably the simplest thing you could do. Your opening, your closing, and the big climax in the music.